This is the other Hofstra hall. What? No way. I just found a gem.
Can I help you?
I'm good, thanks.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it's gated. Oh my god. I just found a gem. Oh my god. This is like a home elevator. Whoa. Look at this, guys. I just found. Listen. It's got an 88 font on it. What brand is this even? It's a Sedgwick. Look at that. For handicapped use only. For that reason, we're only gonna take one ride. I don't know if I'm supposed to be in here. C.G. Anderson buttons. This thing is tiny. This might be one of the smallest silvers I've seen. What a gem. Okay. I think we're good in here. Close it up. Wow. Make sure it's closed all the way. I don't want to. It should be. Wow. Look at that. When the hell was this built? That is. I did not expect to find that. If you guys want to see for yourself, this is Hofstra Hall. So you get an idea of what this building even looks like. I'm surprised that guy did not bust me. If you want to get an idea of what this even looks like, this is what the building looks like. That is awesome.